Hello guys, today we are going to take expanding two brackets. First of all, to expand two brackets, we can take an example on a bedroom or on our house. Below is a floor plan of the downstairs of a house. We have a room, the living room, beside it the bedroom, beside it the bathroom, and then the kitchen. Living room is common between bathroom and bedroom. It's Y here and Y here. The bathroom has side length 3 and the bedroom has side length 5. Okay, how are we going to expand? Expand means removing the brackets. I need to remove the brackets. I need to put them all together and measure the whole size together. So what's the total area of the downstairs house? For me, we have in the rectangle, all the rectangle, I have this side is y plus 3 and this side is y plus 5. Okay, to be clear, I have the sides is this square is y times y is y power 2. And this square is 5 times y. And this rectangle is 3 times a 3 times y. And this kitchen will be, what do you think? It will be 3 times a times 5. So it will be 15. So as if I have a great rectangle here, I've divided it into 4 small rectangles. Each rectangle or square has a different area. The first one is y power 2, and then 5y, and then 3y, and then 15y. So I need to add them all together. Okay, to add them, I need to know where are the like terms. I only have 2 like terms, which are 5y and 3y. They are like terms. They look just the same. They look alike. So y power 2 plus 5y plus 3y will be 8y plus 15, and this would be the whole area. Okay, this is a way to think about it as an expanding bracket. Okay, let's see, for example, this is the same example but in a bracket, in algebra. He gave me y plus 3 bracket y plus 5. They multiplied each other. So I will take the first square, which will be y plus 3 and then y plus 5. You can put it in a table just like this and start taking the area of each square alone. The first square, the area is, double brackets are used in area calculations. So I'm going to take the area of each small square. So the first square, the area is y times y, which is y power 2. And this square will be, I have this is 5 and this is y. So the area will be 5y. And then this square is 3 times a times y. So it will be 3y. And the last square is 3 times 5. Actually, they are not squares, they are rectangles, but they look like square. So it will be 5 times 3, which is 15. So we found the area of each part of the square. Now tidy up I need to find the like terms. Where are the like terms? They are, first of all, I will write y power 2, and then I find the like terms, which are 5y plus 3y, which is 8y plus 15. Okay. Let's see this example with a negative number. I will do the same. I will put 2x on the side length of the first one and -1 on the side length of the square under it, and then x here, and then 3 on the square beside it. Okay, 2x, the first one, I will find the area, which will be 2x multiplied x, which will be careful with the negative signs. That's very important. I have a negative sign here, so I have to focus. First of all, I will multiply 2x by x, which will be 2x power 2, and I multiply 2x by 3, which will be 6x, and then I will multiply -1 by x, which will be negative x, and then I'll multiply -1 by 3, which will be -3. Start tidy up. First, 2x power 2 is by itself, so I will write it first, and then 6x minus x, the like terms. 6x minus x is equals 5x, and then -3 alone. So that's the answer. Okay, let's see this example. I have a bracket x plus 1 power 2. Multiply out the brackets and simplify. X plus 1 power 2. Okay, x power 2. What's the meaning of power 2? Power 2 means that this bracket multiplied itself twice. So it's as if x plus 1 multiplied x plus 1. Okay, no problem. I will put the side on the square or on the floor. So I will have x on the first square, and then 1 under it, and then x on the first square, and then 1 beside it. And we will do the same steps. The first area is x multiply x, which is x power 2. X multiply 1, which will be x. 1 multiply x, which will be x. And then finally 1 multiply 1, which will be 1. So I have x power 2. So I start tidy up. First of all, x power 2 will be written as it is. I will find the like terms, which are x plus x, which is 2x, and then 1 will be written as it is, so it will be plus 1. Okay, my answer is always has to be written in 3 terms. Find the area of the square, and he gave me a square with side length 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y. Let's see. An area of a square is side times side, so I multiply 2x minus 3y, multiply 2x minus 3y. Okay, I will put them on the sides on the floor. So I will put 2x on the first square, and then I put -3y under it, and then 2x on the first square, and then -3y beside it. Okay, let's find the area of each part, each square. 2x multiply 2x will be 4x power 2. Then 2x multiply -3y, and we have to be careful with the negative, so it will be -6xy. and then negative 3y multiply 2x, which will be negative 6xy, and finally negative 3y multiplied negative 3y, which will be positive 9y power 2. Okay, I have a lot of letters here, but this is not a problem. I will write the like terms and tidy up. So the first number that's written as it is, 4x power 2. And then I will find the like terms, which is negative 6xy with negative 6xy. So it will be negative 12 because we have the same sign. So same sign, we will add and drop the sign. So it will be negative 12xy. And finally, plus 9y power 2 as it is. Okay. Let's see this example. What if he got me x power plus 4 bracket x power 2 plus 3x plus 2. Our floor will be added, instead of 4 sections, it will be 6 sections. And we will drop x plus 4 on the side. I'll put x on the first square and then 4 under it. And then I will start putting x power 2 on the first one, beside it 3x, and then beside it 2. And we'll do the same steps as we did before. X multiply x power 2 will be x power. Just a bigger multiplication, nothing more. So x times x power 2 would be x power 3. X multiplied 3x would be 3x power 2. X multiplied 2 would be 2x. Okay, that's the first row. The second row, 4 multiplied x power 2 will be 4x power 2. 4 multiplied 3x would be 12x. And finally, 4 multiplied 2 will be 8. And then we start tidy up. X power 3 has no like terms, so I will write it as it is. The first like term with me is 3x power 2 plus 3x power 2 plus 4x power 2, which will be 7x power 2. And the second term is 12x plus 2x, which will be 14x. And finally, 8 will be written as it is, so it will be plus 8. So we need to know, when we find this example, like example 5, we must not panic. We must solve, we must think clearly. It's just a bigger multiplication with the same steps. Okay, for example, I have this and I will put the table in front of me. I will drop 2x on the first square and negative 1 under it, and then x power 2 on the first square, and then 2x, and then negative 1. And I will start multiplying normally with the same steps. 2x multiply x power 2 will be 2x power 3. 2x multiply 2x will be 4x power 2. And 2x multiplied negative 1 will be negative 2x. It's very important to focus and to focus and be careful with the negative number. Okay, negative 1 multiplied x power 2 will be negative x power 2. Negative 1 multiplied 2x will be negative 2x. And negative 1 multiplied negative 1 would be positive 1. And we will start tidy up. The first number, 2x power 3, doesn't have a like term, so it will be written as it is. X 4x power 2 minus x power 2 will be 3x power 2. Negative 2x will be negative 4x. And finally, plus 1 has no like term, so it will be written as it is. Okay, for these examples, I've got to know how to, these are some examples for you to start solving and know whether your answers are correct or not. The first one will be x multiply x, would be x power 2 minus 2x plus x minus 2. So I'm going to have like terms, which are going to be x minus 2x, which will be minus x. And these are some examples for you, so you can make sure and correct for yourself whether your answers are correct or not. Hope you understand our lesson today, and see you later next session, inshallah.